I'm Natalie from Top10.com. We're here to help make your decisions easier. Let's talk about Freshly. This may come as a shock to you, but Freshly delivers meals that are completely, you guessed it, fresh. Nothing frozen. Freshly's chef-prepared meals come already prepared, so you can just heat and eat in minutes. Freshly has a food philosophy, so you know they mean business. In a nutshell, it's all about high nutritional value and cutting out the garbage like sugars, processed foods, and other things that are bad for you. Freshly doesn't have a specific menu plan catering to various dietary restrictions or eating requirements. Instead, it focuses on delivering all-around healthy meals that are low in calories, low glycemic carbs, and no processed sugars. Using something called modified atmospheric packaging, Freshly keeps its meals fresh during transit. Your meals will stay fresh for 12 hours. Prep time is, wait for it, 3 minutes. That's right, there's no prepping at all, no cooking required. Meals come ready to heat, so you can have a nutritious meal whenever the mood strikes you. I hope this video helped you decide whether Freshly is the right meal delivery service for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out Top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.